PUAs or paid up additions are often the part that people get excited about when they learn about whole life insurance. And it's for a good reason. It drives the early cash value. But it's important to realize what they are, what they're not, and what they do for a policy. And unfortunately, more often than not only are they misunderstood, but they're not applied correctly as well. So let's break this down. Whenever you have a whole life policy, you're going to have a base portion of that policy. That has to be there. That's the foundation. Everything else that you attach to it is a rider, and you have the option to add it or not add it. A PUA is just like any other rider. You can put it on there or you can leave it off. Now, typically when we're designing whole life policies for the purpose of practicing infinite banking, we are going to put the PUA on there, and we're going to design a ratio that's ideal for the client. Now, trying to understand what a PUA is, it's actually quite simple. It just mimics what the rest of the policy is. So depending on your rating and what you're underwritten for, it's going to be a mirror image of that. But unlike the base portion, which you have to constantly pay premium into to not only keep in force, but cause it to grow, the PUA or paid up addition is fully bought and paid for right away. So you have the maximum death benefit and cash value for that premium paid. Because of that, you have that early cash value. Now, over the long term, yes, you are going to make some dividends on that cash value that's there, but the long-term growth of these policies is really driven by the base portion. So it's really important to get this ratio dialed in correctly. So to put this all together, the PUA is what drives that early cash value, but your base portion is what really drives the long-term growth of the policy. And remember, with infinite banking, we're always thinking long-term. PUA definitely has a place here though. I am not saying get 100% base policies. Depending on your needs, wants, desires, and other variables that are out there, we need to get this base to PUA ratio done properly to make sure it meets your needs. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to take the next step, go to my Start Here page linked in the description and comments. In my next video, I'll be talking about why policy design matters more than the illustration itself. I'll see you there.